So you're looking to transfer money online without having to go through verification, or you're just looking to send money from your bank account without having to go through verification steps. Hopefully you've come to the right video. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to make an instant transfer from your bank account, or how to make an instant transfer with your routing and account number without having to go through verification steps. Okay, so this video is 100% legal, and you can follow the prompts that I will mention in this video to get your transfer done in no time. Okay, so without any further ado, let's end this tutorial. So guys, before go even any further, I'll recommend you to check the video description to get a link to this full written guide. Okay, so this written guide explains everything that you need to know with making instant transfers with routing and account numbers. The steps mentioned in the guide are very easy to follow. You just need to check the video description and get to this website, and then you follow the prompts that have been made available to make an instant transfer without you required to verify. Right, so why is verification really important in money transfers? Okay, so fraud is typically on the rise nowadays, and the more we go further into digital ecosystem, the more we are exposed to fraudulent and unauthorized transactions from our accounts, our financial accounts. Okay, so why we are dealing with online only, or with online platforms, or let's say with fintech platforms, our account details are typically exposed, unlike with traditional banking systems. Okay, so the reason why verification is required when making instant or when making money transfers online is to prevent this fraudulent transaction. And as you can see from this stat here, we have over 80% of businesses experiencing payment fraud, okay, only in 2023 alone. So this verification has been put in place by most financial institutions, especially banks that have an online banking platforms, to limit the fraudulent transaction from their customers' accounts. Okay, alright, so how do these banking platforms or these financial institutions get to work with this verification process? Okay, so if you are dealing with your online banking platform, you might be required to log into your account. You enter your user ID. You can enter your user ID, and also you enter your password, and after you enter your password, you just have to log into your account. Okay, so while you log into your account and go to the money transfer section, when you're in the money transfer section of the online banking platform or your banking platform, you will need to enter some details to transfer money. Just go to the money transfer tab, enter the amount you want to transfer. You can attach a note to it, and you might be required to complete some sort of verification, which is also known as the OTP verification. Okay, the one-time password. So with this one-time passcode, you'll be required to provide a one-time code that will be sent to your mobile number or your email, depending on which way you want to receive it. But typically it's through the mobile number, because this one is very secure. So you just have to enter your one-time passcode, and then you verify the transaction, and to make sure that you are the one authorizing the financial transfer. Okay, in most cases, some banks, only a few of them, let you disable this verification. Okay, this verification process, only a few of them. And if you disable this feature, your account will be vulnerable to unauthorized access. So you will want to keep this feature enabled, and try the method that I'm going to show you to make an instant transfer with your routing and account number without having to verify your account. Okay, so let's dive. Right, so as earlier mentioned, we now live in a digital ecosystem, and one of the best ways to make money transfers is through mobile payment apps. Okay, so through digital payment apps. These digital payment apps are known for instant transfer, and they are money transfer convenient, and also they don't require verification once you've set up your account. Okay, so after setting up your account, you just need to make a money transfer without notification. And the first app that we're going to be exploring today is Cash App. So just open your Cash App. You can get the link to the Cash App mobile app in the video description. You can also find it on the Google Play Store. So Cash App is one of the popular payment services out there that let you transfer money instantly with just the cash tag. Okay, so you just need to look for someone that is on Cash App, ask their cash tag, or if someone wants to receive money through Cash App, just ask them to provide you with their cash tag, and then you make the easy money transfer. You can enter the amount that you want to send, and then just click on the pay. Once you click on the pay button, you be required to enter the name and attach a note, and also after you've done all of that, just click on the pay button. Okay, so that's how you get to transfer money through Cash App. Okay, so once you've linked your bank account or your debit card to Cash App and you want to make a money transfer, Cash App won't require you to verify your banking details again. Okay, so they won't be requiring you to enter your OTP as unlike with your banking platform. They will just require you to verify through your PIN or your security feature that's available on your phone, or the way you choose to verify transactions through Cash App. Okay, so this one is solely on your own decision. You can just complete this step and then you send money instantly to Cash App. Okay, but why send money to Cash App? Be wary or be conscious about the transfer limits that are imposed for Cash App accounts. Okay, you don't want to pass this transfer limit to keep your Cash App account active and safe. Alright, so the next app is Venmo. Okay, so Venmo is also a popular peer-to-peer payment service that lets you transfer money instantly without much verification. Okay, so once you open the Venmo app, you need to create an account or just log in. Once you've set up your account, you just attach a payment details. You can attach your bank account to the Venmo app or even your US debit card. It is very easy to do that, and if you don't know, I'll provide a link to that in the video description. So once you've linked your card to the Venmo app, just go to the money transfer tab, transfer, and then you enter the amount that you want to transfer, at a note, attach a note, and then you just click on the transfer money. Venmo will not require you to verify your banking details, so it is very convenient and a legal way to make instant transfers from your routing and account number without having to verify. Okay, alright guys, so the next app that I highly recommend you to check out is the PayPal mobile. So why do I recommend this PayPal mobile app? Because unlike the other options mentioned earlier, PayPal is widely available. Okay, so you can access PayPal from any country, unlike Cash App and Venmo that lets you access it out in the US. Okay, so if you're looking to make an international instant transfer with routing and account numbers without having to verify, then PayPal is the option that you want to check. So to make an instant transfer with PayPal, an instant money transfer with your routing and account number with PayPal, all you have to do is to go to the wallet section, and then on this card section you click on add new, and then you select banks right here. So you want to go to the PayPal website to link your bank account, and once you're on the website, you have to enter your bank account routing and account number to link this account to PayPal. Okay, so if you don't want to enter your bank routing account number, you can use the automatic linking process, which is very easy. But since the purpose of this tutorial is to make instant transfer with routing and account numbers, so you have to link your bank account manually with the routing account number. And once you've done so, you just have to click on save to save the payment method. And once you've done everything right, just go back to PayPal and go to the money transfer tab, and then you follow the prompt to transfer money from your bank account. Okay, so that instant transfer and routing account number without verification will be very well possible with using a digital payment service like PayPal. Alright guys, so we've come to the end of our video. If you found it really helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and tap the notification bell to not miss our upcoming video. Okay, so I catch you on the next one.